Let's make grapefruit seed extract. To make it, you will need a cutting board, a mortar and pestle, a knife, cheesecloth, a canning jar, a funnel, and an amber dropper bottle, or blue, if you have it. You'll need 1 to 2 grapefruits and 1 cup of 80 proof vodka. Slice the grapefruit into wedges. Remove the seeds and pulp from each slice. Eat the grapefruit wedges or save them for later. Crush the seeds using the mortar and pestle. Put the seeds and pulp into the canning jar. Fill the canning jar with vodka 1 inch from the brim. Shake the jar and store in a cool, dark place for 6 weeks, shaking daily. Strain the liquid into an amber bottle for final use.